Hi, today I would like to show you how I make this ribbing with small cables. And it is really a ribbing of knit 2, purl 2 that is repeated throughout the round. But in every third round I twist the 2 knit stitches around to make this small cable. And first you need to cast on a number of stitches that can be divided by 4, because we have a 4 stitch pattern, 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches, which are repeated throughout the round. And after having done the cast on, the 2 first rounds are done as knit 2, purl 2. So I begin to knit 2 and then purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. And I make sure that my stitches are not twisted, they are open. Now the stitch is open and now it is twisted. You can see the yarn crosses here at the bottom of the stitch, and this goes for the purl stitches as well. Pick up the stitch so that it opens up and has two legs instead of twisting it like this. So I will continue now to do the knit 2, purl 2 for 2 whole rounds. And when I have finished doing that, I will get back to you on how I make the cable. Now I have finished my 2 rounds of knit 2, purl 2, and I'm ready to make the cable. And what I do is that I want to make these 2 knit stitches change place. If you like, you can use an extra needle if you are afraid to drop or lose a stitch, but I'll show you how I do. Here I have my 2 knit stitches and I slip both of them over onto my right needle like this, and I bring my left needle through the first stitch that I slipped, and I secure it here with my thumb, and I gently pull my needle out of both stitches and back into the one that was completely loose. And I place it back onto my left needle and I knit both stitches. My purl stitches I will continue to purl, and then I repeat. I slip the 2 knit stitches, bring my left needle through the right one, secure, bring my needle through, and knit, and I continue to do so throughout this round. And when I have finished doing cables on the whole round, I am finished with 1 repetition of my pattern, and I will continue to do 2 rounds with knit 2, purl 2 before I make another round of cables. And this ribbing will be stretchy and similar to a knit 2 purl 2 ribbing, only the 2 knit stitches will not be as elastic and it will appear a little bit firmer. And that's it. Thank you for watching.